Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want a better view of your entryway, driveway or walkway, adjusting the camera view on your Ring doorbell can help improve what the device captures. Depending on the model and installation position, you may need to modify motion zones, reposition the Ring doorbell or fine-tune settings inside the Ring app to achieve the desired coverage. Since every home setup is different, a few adjustments may be necessary to get the best angle. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps that can help you optimize the camera view on your Ring doorbell. Try these. Step 1. Open the settings for the Ring doorbell in the Ring app. Step 2. Review the current live view from the Ring doorbell. Step 3. Reposition the Ring doorbell if the viewing angle needs improvement. Step 4. Adjust motion zones for the Ring doorbell to match the desired coverage. Step 5. Check the updated view from the Ring doorbell after making changes. Step 6. Test the detection area and confirm the Ring doorbell captures the intended space.